Hey guys, again, dear Shala here. That's the unboxing of the stereo dynamic headphones S450. So get now this unboxed of it, part 2. So let's begin. So now let's get into the box. Okay. There we go. That's the headphones. Here's the headphones headset. That's the this lovely shape here. Here's the micro USB cable, the USB port. Okay, so now let's get into the now. So here's the headphones. I'm gonna these turn on. So now get in. So let's see have any juice. Okay, it does not. So I have to plug now. I was expanding of it. Okay, so that's the unboxing of the stereo dynamic headphones S450. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace out.